This video shows the daily cleaning procedure for Gaggia Naviglio. Before you turn off the machine, remove the waste coffee cake container and throw away all the coffee cakes. Put it back and turn off the machine. It will do automatic rinsing. Pull the Panarello one and rinse it with water if you have made any milk coffee with this machine. You can remove and clean the water tank if necessary. Remove the waste coffee container. Open the service door. Pull out the coffee residue tray. Now I'm going to remove the brew unit. To do this, you need to push this small lever and pull it out. Sometimes you need a little bit of force at this area to pull together. Okay. Pull out the drain tray. Bring all parts for washing. Please do not use any detergent or soap to clean the brew unit. You may use detergent or soap to clean all other parts, but not the brew unit. I have now put back the water tank and the drain tray. To put back the brew unit, make sure that the small triangular mark and the big triangular mark aligns. If it's not, just make sure that it is aligned. Okay. And without pushing the push button, slide it in. Okay, until it clicks. Put back the tray and the waste coffee ground container. Sometimes it gets stuck here, so you just need to push it up a little bit and make sure that it fits. Close the service door and the machine is now ready for operation. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you again.